Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today is going to be a super short video. I just wanted to share with you guys what's going on and answer a few questions really quick that you guys have been asking me too in the process of this. So first up, I've been making over 100 of these little tiny swords here. The customer ordered 100 of them. I made 103 of these little swords just because it came out where I was making batch files of them. And then it came out to that amount, so I just threw in 3 extra for them. I also know the person, so I'm doing this and kind of not really making that much off of the deal, but that's okay. It's going to a good cause. I'm not going to share what that is or share who I'm doing this for, just for privacy reasons. But with that said, I wanted to show you guys, I got this little box here, and it just perfectly fit all 100 of those swords. So I've been extremely busy. I've got huge amounts of this like leftover cut off stuff. Let me get this really quick and show you. You can see all of my cutoffs here. So I've been pretty busy lately, if you can tell. But to answer some of your guys' questions, do I still use the Glowforge? Yes, I still use the Glowforge. Actually, I have 3 Glowforges, and I used all 3 for this project here at the same time. That was another question I get pretty often about Glowforge, is can you use more than 1 Glowforge at a time? Yes, I'll show you a video clip of that, or I already put it on the screen while I'm talking. Either way, I have all 3 Glowforges running at the exact same time with this project, so I can kind of batch file these out to get them out faster. But it still took me a long time to get all 100 of these cut out. So with that said, you can pick and choose what kind of projects you want to do with your laser, but there's all sorts of unexpected like things that comes up, ways that you can make money with a laser. If you guys are interested in a laser engraver, I'll go ahead and put the links to many of them down in the description below. All of them I do recommend. I don't put links down to anyone that I don't recommend. So definitely check those out. Watch past videos if you have questions on them, or let me know down in the comments below. I'll answer any questions I can about them. Other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to share with you guys what's been going on, answer a few questions about Glowforge, because I know we don't talk about them that often anymore because it's past an 8-year machine now. It's been out for a while, and they haven't really came out with a new one other than the Glowforge HD, which is basically the same version as the Glowforge, just a HD camera. So with all that said, I'll go ahead and stop talking. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments below.